Hello, hello, hello. This is just a review. Someone said they couldn't see the can. The can is Sprayway Glass Cleaner Form Action Ammonia Free. That's the name of it. And you can get it at Walmart, any store, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. You can get this anywhere. This Sprayway, anywhere you want to get it at. It's a lot of places online. Amazon, you get it anywhere really. But she wanted to know what was the name of it again. And like I said before, it could be used for glass cleaning. I just cleaned these glasses on my bar. Look how clean. I just did these. And then I put the lights down there. You could put it up on here like for the wood. You could do all your wood on your entertainment centers. You could do all those. I mean, it could be used for a lot of different things. I just used it for cleaning glass, but it could be used for floors or, well, I know score floors for sure. I'm not going to tell you to put it on your wood floors because I don't know. But score floors and see how it cleans. Look how clean that is. Because, of course, you know this stuff going to get a lot of dirt because it's made of wood. And anytime you have wood surrounding glass, it's going to get dirty. But it's really nice once you change it. And that's the little disco lights that I mentioned to you all about. Under $20. You just put it on a timer when you're having a party. And you just let it roll. Every night. That's it. Just on clear. And this is it. Just on a timer saying I want it to go to the different multicolors. The multicolors are red, blue, green, and white. Real nice. And it can go under the cabinets. That's the remote again. If you didn't see the first video, it comes in a pack of 3, which is these little lights in a pack of 3. And the company is, again, if you didn't see it, under $20. Thank you guys. I have more to share as I'm cleaning and doing things at home. I'll be sharing and share some of the things that you do at home. Some of your cleaning, some of your cooking, some things that we all can learn from. But that's what it is. Thank you guys. And I hope everyone have a blessed weekend and have a happy Super Bowl. Bye for now. Subscribe. Miss Brenda Teal. Thank you so much. Have a great day.